This is Honor X70. The color I have is green, which is a fresh and elegant style. The lens ID is consistent with the previous generation, and it still has the classic concentric circle design, and there are also a circle of rivets around it, which looks quite delicate. The side is a plastic middle frame, but the right angle plus the frosted process, the texture is indeed much better than the smooth plastic surface. The phone case this time is finally not a transparent clear water case. The texture is very good. The front of the phone is equipped with a 6.79-inch 120Hz OLED screen with a resolution of 2640 by 1200, 1.5K. It still uses 3840 Hz high frequency PWM dimming and supports defocusing and soothing, which is very powerful in eye protection. It is worth mentioning that the peak brightness of the screen has been directly upgraded from 850 nits of the previous generation to 6000 nits, which means that on a sunny day like this, you can see the content on the screen clearly even outdoors, which is very friendly to outdoor workers. Excelente noica. In terms of imaging, the rear camera uses a 50 megapixel main camera compared with the previous generation. The OIS optical image stabilization has been upgraded, which greatly improves the quality of the film and makes it less blurry. Although it is not a mobile phone that focuses on taking pictures, it is still enough to record live and scan a code occasionally. It also has various AI photo editing functions such as shooting live pictures and Honor flagships. Excelente noica. In terms of performance, the Honor X70 is not a high performance phone that focuses on gaming. It uses a Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor and can play games with high definition quality at a stable 90 frames. In addition, for friends who require smoothness, I suggest that you must first find the display and brightness in the settings. After getting the phone, scroll down to find the screen refresh rate, adjust it to high, and click the high refresh rate application management below to enable all commonly used software so that there will be no frame.
In terms of battery life, this time it is directly given an 8300 mAh with the card inserted, and the film is less than 200 grams, while my 3580 mAh mobile phone weighs more than 210 grams, and the thickness of the X70 is even thinner. In actual testing of battery life, 2 hours of watching TV series only use 7% of the power, and 1 hour of video calls consumes 6% of the power. Normal light to moderate use can reach 2 days of charging, and there is no battery life anxiety at all. In terms of charging, in addition to upgrading to 80-watt wired fast charging, an 80-watt wireless fast charging has also been added, which supports wireless reverse charging. When you go out, you can use it as an emergency power bank for your friend's mobile phone. In terms of durability, the X70 has upgraded its bulletproof multi-layer structure based on the Tai Chi shock absorption. It can be seen that it is very resistant to falling, and there is no need to worry about it being broken when used outdoors. In addition, the waterproof level has also been upgraded. It has not only passed the IP66 and IP68 daily waterproof standards, but also reached the IP69K industrial waterproof standard. The actual test showed that it was not only no problem to soak it in water, but also no problem when it was fully transparent and was flushed hard. It is a very durable mobile phone with an eye protective screen, super long battery life, and a stable and smooth system. It is highly recommended for outdoor workers and parents.